me. I need this.
Okay, swing it.
Okay.
We're gonna try it your way. You're gonna swing all the way over. We're just gonna see if the cord will reach. Okay? We're gonna mimic it as though it was hooked up.
But this isn't over here.
Right. Right there. And you see how long this cord is? There's no way it's gonna reach over there.
Okay, fine. I'm good with this.
You good?
This did it work.
Okay. Okay, so now I'm gonna lift it up. Okay, swivel yours over. Okay, let's just set this on the carpet, and then we can lean it up against the wall. Okay, carefully. Okay, right like that. Now we can lean it up against the wall. Okay.
Bring in a second piece.
Yeah. Now the next piece will go over here. Once we get those two pieces together, we can hook up the end.
Yes.
And incidentally, if you get one of these units, it all comes to you delivered right to your doorstep on a pallet. It comes all into sections. You bring it into your house, you put it together. It comes with directions and all that kind of stuff. You got to get one of these. Okay, enough of that. Let's go get the next panel. Kaboom. This is all you're going to need, and actually, you're only going to need this particular Allen wrench right here, and it looks like a 5/32. That's all we're going to need for this whole thing. It comes with screws like this. We got 11 screws, and 9 of them are this long here, and then there's 2 that are just a little shorter than that, and that's all that it's going to take to install this. So do you need any other tools other than this one Allen wrench? The answer is no.
Okay, this pen.
Watch the door.
I'm watching the door.
And you gotta go back that way.
You go back.
Yeah, then I gotta go back this way. Okay, come on. We're gonna leave it on the carpet first. Okay? In fact, actually, lift it up. Let's just put it right here. Okay, see that block, remember? Okay, now we're gonna slide it this way just a hair. Just a little bit, lift it up. Okay, stop. We're gonna leave it like that. Now let's carefully lean it up against the wall. Okay. Now we'll see, there's blocks on the floor here. There's 3 different blocks, and those are important on it. You don't have to remove those because that's an integral part of this whole system. Now we're gonna lift this one up and put it on top. Boy, I'm right here in the corner. Hey, where'd you go? Yeah, you got me in the corner all right. I'm gonna have to get my Allen wrench out, ready? My 3 screws. Okay, because on the back of this panel, there's 3 screws. Once I line this up, they get screwed into there, and that's gonna hold that. First things first though, one step at a time.
This one goes first, right?
Yeah, I'm just gonna set these down here on the floor if I can get down there. Oh. Okay, we're gonna gently set them up here, and it looks like this is the one that's gonna have to come all the way out. So we're gonna put this from this edge over. I'll tell you when. First step is to lift it up carefully, and we're gonna put it up here like that. Now you're gonna slide it my way a little bit. Stop. Okay, now you're gonna have to hold this by yourself now, okay?
I can do it.
You can do it. I'm sure you can. That's the heaviest one anyways. We've got the light on here. We've got the monitor here. All the wiring harness is set up there, so this is the heaviest one. Now I can slide this one into place on my own, and there's a little groove here. It fits on the outside of that. Right there. You just hang on to yours.
I got it.
Okay. I'm going to fish this screw in here. Oh, look at that, it went right in. Okay, just keep holding it.
I am.
Gotta see if I can tighten this screw. getting it by hand, and that's all I really want to do. Okay, keep holding it. Make sure this is lined up. It feels like it's lined up. Except,
Should we go a little further, should this wall go a little further toward you?
maybe, but I'm still setting the screws. The second screw is going in. I've got to fish the bottom one in now. Okay. Oh, I think that's it.
Sure. Looks like a teeny bit of a gap.
Well, we can slide that. My main concern right now is just getting these tight. And you want to bring the camera over here. This thing is all, it's going to set here by itself. It's not going to fall down now. Fish the camera over here. Okay. Show it up here. Here, you can stay right there.
Okay.
Yeah, go back a little bit. Set that down on the ground, and then you can tilt that, remember? Just tilt it up here.
Okay.
See, here's,
Just really can't see.
well, here's the screws. It just went in here, and then I got one down here halfway down, and I've got the bottom one. Let's get you set up here a little bit easier here. Set you up right here, I think. Okay, there's another one down at the bottom. And I'm just gonna make these, snug. I may have to go back later and tighten them up. I don't want to get too far ahead of myself in case something is astray, but this all fit in there. It's all nice and tight on the back side. Bring you over. See, it's already looking like something, isn't it? Okay. I guess you can't really see. I'm just going to show you in here. See, this piece here was attached to that first one on the other side. This just fit right up snug. And so you know exactly where it goes. See, we got the same, everything's fine. Now we may have to slightly adjust it after we get the next panels on. The next panel I'm gonna put on, I gotta think about this for a minute. Oh, we're not gonna put a next panel on, we're gonna put the seats on.
Seats. Yes.
As I remember, the seats go next. Okay, so that's what we're gonna do. Now see, amazing but true, this is standing up all by itself, just by those 3 screws in there. We have that, it's supporting itself, it's not mounted down to the floor. There's 3 different blocks in the corners. We've got those pushed up tight to those. And we can walk away from it because that side can't fall down because this is holding it. This side can't fall that way because that's holding it. And that's it for right now, okay?
3 screws.
You can do that. I know you can. 3 screws and we've got it this far.
That's all I got for this time, but I'll be back with more